welcome to my channel. I am Goodies by Lexi, and I am so happy to have you here. Today is a special occasion. I just am like, wow. I made an intro video, shared it on all my social media. It's been 5 years since I've done videos. I had a YouTube channel, I had a blog, I did giveaways, and I am back. I am extremely excited, and I hope you join me. I'm going to be doing some things a little different, and I am really excited for you guys to meet my daughters. Like, they are beautiful, they're young, and we're going to be doing all things, especially concerning fashion. So I want to start off with my first unboxing in 5 years. This is a subscription box called Babebox. I haven't used them before. I don't know anything about them until now. And hey, I want to share it with you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Babebox. This particular box, I will share some information with you guys. If you haven't got subscription boxes before, you can find coupons and deals as a first-time subscriber, and I strongly suggest you do so. I think I got this box for like $7 as my first box. So that was the July special. I don't know what the August special will be, but I'm sure they're gonna have a great deal. So I'm gonna share what's in this box, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. I looked at the card to see what it said, but other than that, this is what it looks like. I have no clue how this stuff works or if it's any good. That's what unboxings are about. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna read from the card as I pull out items in this box. Okay, so the first item is going to be, let's see here. This is called Earth Harbor Sunshine Hair Revive Elixir. So when you subscribe for these boxes, you'll get some makeup, some hair, some skin, and I used to get really upset when I'd get skin items, but they're really important, especially if you wear makeup on a regular basis. Skin is really important. I understand that now. So this is what this looks like, and as I said, it's called Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Elixir. So that's what that looks like. It says retail value for full size is $30. Mind you, I got this box for $7. So the next item is some type of a restore. This is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. And they say the retail value of this full-size item is $30. And healing balm is important. Like, you can use it on lips. You can use it on anything, like if you just got a tattoo, things of that nature. So, you know, I'm going to start keeping like a little pile of things that I get in my boxes. That way I can do some awesome giveaways. So the next item in here is this cute little box. And let's see what this is. It doesn't have anything on the top. Scrub-a-dub. Okay, so they come with this cool card that explains everything and tells you the retail price of the actual full size. So this is called Glow on 5th Scrub-a-dub Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Now, let me tell you why this is important. If you want to get the dead skin and keep your lips feeling soft and plump, things like this lip scrub are very important. I didn't realize the importance of them until I really got involved in makeup. So, hey. The next item says floss. Cute. It's pink. I love anything pink. Everybody knows that's my favorite color. So, let me see what this is about. Floss Beauty Lip Advocate. It's a sheer lip tint formula. So this is supposed to keep your lips soft, and it also has a tint to it. So let's see what this tint looks like. That's the color of it. And I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Oh, it feels like really, really soft. It's like very nudish, very like light. The only thing about subscription boxes, everything is not going to come tailored to you, but that's where giveaways come in. So I won't be doing a giveaway for that because I've already swatched them. But I'm talking about things like skincare and stuff like that that I actually do not open. And last but certainly not least is an infusion lip mask. And lip masks are awesome. It's like doing a facial mask, but on your lips. They leave your lips feeling soft, and I just love them. And you get several packets in here. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Look at that. I am into the packaging. Sorry, I had it upside down. So yeah, I am really excited about that. So let me see what it says about the lip mask. Okay, Babe Cosmetic Lip Glass. It says retail value $12. Okay, so I had an item that was $30, which was the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. An item that was $15, which is the Glow on Fifth Scrub a Dub Lip Scrub. And then they had the $18 Floss Beauty Lip Advocate. A lot of lip products, you know, it starts off with the mask and then the scrub. There's everything to make your lips feel soft. And then last but not least, the Earth Harbor Sunshine Hair Elixir, and that one's $30. So hey, I got a lot of cool items, all of this for $6.95. I mean, are you kidding me? I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna try to put everything back in here and just give you an example. $6.95. Hey, I'm cool with it. As I said, this is Babebox. Thank you, Babebox. And I have to say, I'm pretty pleased. Hey, $6.95 for new beginners. You know, as things go on, as you're a member for a long period of time, they do ask questions of things that you like. They get your skin tone. They do try to get things, and that's with any subscription with makeup, a little more suited towards you. But the first box is going to be a little generic, and that's understandable. So, hey, I'm not mad at it. I want to say thank you guys for coming to my first video in 5 years. I have some really cool things coming along. I'm, as I always say, excited. So I have a little drinky drink here to celebrate this whole new life and new beginnings. You know, we've been going through this pandemic. Everybody's been going through things. People have lost loved ones. I just want to say, let's stay happy. Let's be blessed for every day that we wake up on this earth. And I want to thank everyone for all their support in the past and hopefully in the future. Cheers. So, thank you. Blessings to everyone. Everyone have a blessed day. It's Goodie by Lexi signing out.